Hello guys, and today we're back with, but we're doing some fidget spinner skills. So, let's go. Right, so the first one is easy. Wait, on your phone, which you've seen in the last episode. And then, if I can, oh, no, don't worry. On that finger, and then a forehead. I don't know if you guys can see because I need to be looking up. Right, and then the other one. Right, you guys need to go over here. The other one. You see here? I got my. Alright. So the other one is on my knee. Wait. And then the other one is thumb. If I can, I just learnt this today. To my other thumb. Steady, guys. One sec. Oh my god! That was so quick. I don't know if I should do this or not. Wait. Yeah, right. No, I won't forget about that. Right, so that's the end of today's episode. Sorry it was a short one. Hope you enjoyed. And we will see you later. Now kiss it. Guys, I've just learnt this today, so I'm sorry. Still spinning, still bounce. And then, 2 is still spinning to my forehead. That took a lot of goes. So thumb to the other thumb, and to the back to the other thumb, and forehead. That really got on my nerves. Wait, I'm just gonna see something. One sec, guys.